In this video, we'll show you how to plan a journey. Launch the app by clicking the icon. Click the menu icon in the top left of your screen, and then select Journey Planner in the menu. We recommend having location permissions on your app settings allowed, as it will find the nearest stop for your starting point based on your location. Once you have allowed this, click the location icon in the bottom right of the screen to set your location. If you wish to use your current location as your starting point, leave this field selected as My Location. If you want to manually type in a starting location, click the From field. Once you start typing your location, the app will give you suggestions that best match what you searched. Select the one you require. Next, follow the same steps for your end destination. Click the To field, and then start typing where you want to go. Select your destination from the drop-down list. Your chosen journey will now be shown on a map. The journey will automatically default to Leaving Now, or you can click this to change the day and time of your journey. Select whether you require Leave At or Arrive By at the top, and then click to change the date. Select the day you would like to make your journey, and then type in the time you would like to make your journey. Select Confirm, and then click Search. You will now see a list of buses available for your journey. Select the bus that best suits your needs. As well as the journey information, you can see how many steps you'll take and how much CO2 you will save by choosing the bus instead of a car. Click on View Departures to see live bus times and find out when your next bus is due. The green times are live and the black times are scheduled, refreshing every 30 seconds. You can now buy a ticket ready to start your journey. Visit your app store and download our new and improved app today.